everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're at the track. Check it out. So today I got the GTI. We got Danny with the CTSV. We got Eddie with the corn-fed long tube. What else you got on this?
What's that?
Corn-fed long tube.
Corn-fed long tube X pipe and a drop-in air.
There you go. And a car. It does 11s though, right? Already, right?
11.5 on the last
Look
one.
at that. That's pretty good. We got Rob with the Supra. We got Javi. So, and we got Lewis with his M3. So, we're gonna have some fun. I'm not taking this serious at all. I'm gonna have a little fun. See what the little GTI does. So, let's have a little fun at the track. See what it does. See what some of these cars is. I think this is Rob's second time at the track, but first time the car had a lot of problems with the launching, so he's gonna just foot brake it off the launch. So should be fun, guys. Should be fun. So let's see what it does. I don't know. I have zero expectations, so I'm not even gonna drop a number. So this car, I'm putting expectations. This car needs to do 11s. Damn! What the hell? That's a Supra, right? That's a Titan Supra. Danny, 10s? We're doing 10s?
No.
No? 11s?
I'm hoping.
It should do 11s. Stomp it all the way down before, because I knew it was gonna, if I would have done that, it would have spun like crazy. So, see what it does. Like I said, I have zero expectations on this. I'm just having a good time. Thank you. Sure. It did better than I thought. 12.950. Left lane number 9. It did better than I thought. If I were to get that launch a little bit better and maybe not wheel hop. What was my at 110? What was my 60 foot was garbage. So if I could get my 60 foot down, 60 foot was 2.215. So hey, for a mildly modded car, it's not bad. It's not bad at all, actually. I'm okay with that number. All right, let's see how it does. So apparently I did a 13 flat second run. So still bad, still not bad compared to not being able to launch the car correctly. So not bad. Danny, what'd you get?
Lost like this.
What'd you get now?
Down there, boys. Down there.
Almost getting onto that 93 RS3.
Oh, I think he just threw some corn in that bitch. It's gonna be in the 10s.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, that one when it hit second gear, it hurt my stomach.
It hit hard.
Yeah, it was like
11.36. God damn, dude. Car's moving, dude.
What's that?
Car's moving.
Yeah, point.
I guess I'm gonna be lining up against that another GTI. I was talking to him, cool guy. He's IE tuned. I have no idea who that tuner is. Like I said, I'm pretty new to the whole new GTI world and VW world. All right, pass number 3. Let's see. Once it bit good on second gear. So I'm not complaining there. That was pretty good. I'm happy with that. I think I did better than the first one right now. I could be completely wrong. The car felt better. Let's see where we're at. Hopefully we got tickets. Thank you.
Got him this time.
Oh, actually did worse. What the hell? Oh, my 60 foot was terrible. So, here's what it is. Right now, this second run was actually a 13. This is actually my worst run. Hold on. Is that me? Yeah, it's actually me. So, I did 13.24 at 111 in the first, and I don't know why I'm getting worse here. Now I'm just gonna get aggravated. I spun too much. I sent it too high RPM. I put it full launch control that time, and I sent it too high. So, learning experience, guys. I'm not gonna go so high in RPM, and I bet you I'll get it off the line a whole lot better. It's what it is. Just getting it off the line.
The trap speed's there for a little better time.
This trap is over.
Yeah, my trap was 2 mile an hour more this time. Even though I did a worse time.
Because you spun. Anytime you spin, the mile an hour goes up.
My trap is the same.
I spun bad.
You're not spinning.
Camaro's 3. No. I'm at one. I did run a red light. I'm at 120 every time.
So definitely not 3 now.
If you put it in manual, it shift automatically, or you have to shift it.
I leave it in drive. I'm leaving it in drive.
I always ran the Audi. I put it in sport and then slapped it over to manual because it would go to high. It would run the RPMs out more.
It will run the RPMs out more?
As long as yours shifts on its own.
Mine does shift on its own.
Yeah. Do that next time and see what it does.
Okay. That was fun.
That was a good
That
60 foot
was,
too, man.
I know. My reaction time was pretty decent there.
Yeah, you're getting there, man. See if I can whittle it
I did what you said. I put it in manual and it ate longer.
Told you. I got a 13.1.
And I got a 13.1, which
Yeah.
I got my best reaction time too.
0.084.
Yeah. But I don't know why.
Bobby got a 0.030.
Yeah. He fucking left perfect. But his car was fucking. I was watching the car every time he shit that fucker went. All right. I was like, oh shit. All right, guys. So there it is. Had some fun with the boys and the friends. GTI was fun. Did better than I thought I was gonna do, so I'm happy with it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about GTI and all the other cars. Danny's car is moving. That car right there. That sucker's moving. Pure, all that car is pure turbo noise now. So, but everybody else had a good time. Nobody broke down. Now we're gonna go eat, have some fun, and head home. All right, guys. So we'll see y'all later. Y'all stay safe out there.